Hello everyone. Today I talk about Python data types. In programming, in any programming language, data types are very important. Why? Why are they very important? When we write programs, when we write codes, we have to store data in programs always. And these data are in different formats. For example, if I write this one in the code, I store x equals, I store number 8 here. Then that means in this variable 8 is stored, right? Then again I write a variable name y. Then I store another value. This time I store a name. Then you understand very easily, in this variable there's number. In this variable there's text value. Likewise, we store different types of data in variables. Then we have to know what is it, what is the data we have stored in these variables. We have to clearly know. Okay. In Python, we have some inbuilt data types. They are namely, for text types, it has its string. For numeric types, it has int, float, complex. For sequence types, it has list, tuple, range. For mapping type, it has dict or dictionary. Set types, set, frozen set. For boolean type, it has bool. For binary type, it has bytes, byte array, memory view. Right? Then shall we go for some codes? Then we must have a method to know what is this data type, right? Then we use here type function to know what is the data we have stored in these variables. The type function, it is very easy to use. I'll write another variable name here and I will store 8.3. Okay, then I want to know what are the data types I have used here to store values in variables. Then here I write this variable name and I use type function. I use type and I use x variable name here, right? Then in this variable, the type of this variable has been stored. Then if I print it here, type of the variable, it is simple A. Then I print here. Then you will see the type is integer. Then I use next one, this one. B equals this variable name. Okay, type y is kept here. Then I use print function to get that variable type. Then I print here. Then you will see it is a string class because it is a text value. It is a text data. Understand? Now you can easily use this type function within print function like this. Okay, in print function you use type function like this. Type Z, this one. Then it will give an output easily. Yes. Sometimes you can't see because of this recording mark. The class is float. That means the data type is float. I think you can understand very easily what is the importance of data type. So we talk about other data types in the near future. Until then, thank you very much.